Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to find recently downloaded apps on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Using App Library. If you downloaded an app and can't find it on your home screen, simply swipe left through your pages until you reach the App Library. Look for the recently added folder at the top. Tap on it, and you'll see all your most recently downloaded and installed apps. These are organized by download date, making it super easy to locate new apps. If you want to add any app back to your home screen, just press and hold the app icon, then drag it to your desired page. Simple as that. Method 2. Check App Store purchase history. Open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Purchased or Purchase History. By default, it might show only paid apps, so tap the filter and select All to include free apps as well. Set the time range to the last 90 days, and you'll see every app you've downloaded, even the ones you've deleted. And that's it. 2 quick methods to find your recently downloaded iPhone apps. If this helps you, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.